Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a little DIY project that I came up with. If you shop at Bath & Body Works and you buy their candles, you know that they are a little bit pricey, but they smell amazing. I absolutely love Bath & Body Works. But I bought 3 candles recently and I burned them as much as I could, and all 3 of them had maybe about 1/4 of an inch left of wax, but the wicks themselves were done. So I didn't want to throw them away, and I didn't want to waste that wax, so I came up with a way to combine all 3 together to create another candle. So I wanted to share with you what I came up with and how I did it. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So with that being said, let me show you guys what I did. Well, there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you take something away from this. I just did not want to waste the wax, and especially because it is scented. So I came up with a way to, combine the wax and create another candle and to make it last just a little bit longer. So again, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not done so yet, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on anything that I upload. Be sure to hit that subscribe bell as well. That way you will be notified of everything that I upload. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I hope you're having an awesome weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.